Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your ultimate source for innovative architecture and inspiring living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving deep into one of the fastest growing trends in the housing market, modern single container homes. But what exactly does this mean? A modern single container home is a residential dwelling crafted entirely from one standard ISO steel shipping container, typically measuring either 20 or 40 feet in length. Instead of combining multiple containers to form a traditional multi-story house, these structures embrace the simplicity of a single unit. Designers cut out massive sections of the corrugated steel walls to install large glass windows and sliding doors, integrating cutting-edge insulation, premium utilities, and sleek interior fixtures. The result is a compact, ultra-modern, and highly sophisticated architectural statement that redefines minimalistic living. The benefits of choosing a single container home extend far beyond their unique aesthetics. First and foremost is their incredible cost-effectiveness. Because you are working with a pre-existing steel shell, structural construction costs are drastically lower than building a conventional brick-and-mortar home. They also offer unmatched structural durability, as shipping containers are originally engineered to withstand harsh ocean environments, making them naturally resistant to extreme weather, pests, and fire. Furthermore, their small footprint promotes an eco-friendly lifestyle by recycling heavy industrial steel and forcing a minimalist layout that reduces overall energy consumption. Finally, their mobility is a game changer. If your life or career changes direction, a single container home can be loaded onto a flatbed truck and transported directly to a new piece of land, giving you unparalleled freedom and flexibility. Decorating the exterior of a single container home is all about balancing the raw, industrial nature of the steel with warm, organic materials. One of the best ways to soften the harsh metal lines is by introducing natural wood cladding or timber panels to accent the entrance or frame the windows. Building an expansive wooden deck that extends directly from your main sliding doors will instantly double your usable living space while creating an inviting transition to the outdoors. To elevate the aesthetic further, integrate strategic exterior lighting like minimalist matte black sconces or underdeck LED strips that cast a warm glow at night. Surrounding the base of the structure with manicured gravel landscaping, large concrete pavers, and architectural potted plants like palms or ornamental grasses will firmly anchor the container into its landscape, giving it a premium, custom-designed finish. When it comes to design styles, modern single container homes are incredibly versatile. The industrial chic style remains a classic favorite, where the original corrugated steel is painted in deep, dramatic tones like matte black, charcoal gray, or navy blue, leaving the container text and structural corner castings exposed as intentional design features. For those who prefer a warmer look, the Scandinavian minimalist style is perfect, combining bright white or soft beige exteriors with light wood timber accents and enormous glass panes to let in natural light. If you are aiming for a luxurious resort-like feel, the tropical modern style incorporates massive sliding glass panels, elevated concrete pilings, overhanging flat roof lines, and surrounding wooden pergolas to create an open-air oasis that blends seamlessly with nature. Now, let's look at the top 10 best modern single container homes ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. One, the Forest Glade Hideaway. This stunning concept showcases a 40-foot dark espresso container home nestled perfectly in a serene forest clearing. The design features an entirely open side wall fitted with massive glass sliding doors that look directly into a beautifully lit minimalist kitchen and a vibrant yellow accent sofa lounge. A flush wooden platform deck runs along the front, bordered by crisp white river stones that create a clean boundary against the lush green grass. 2. The Urban Grassland Studio. A brilliant example of suburban integration. This charcoal gray container house is situated on a perfectly manicured lawn. The exterior boasts a custom wooden pergola structure extending over an elevated side deck, complete with outdoor lounge seating. Gray stone stepping pavers cut cleanly through the grass, leading to a modern glass entry door and smaller architectural awning windows. 3. The Panoramic Wilderness Pavilion. Embracing pure minimalism, this design strips away the container side and end walls entirely, replacing them with floor-to-ceiling glass paneling. The interior features light-washed wood cladding, a cozy wood-burning stove with a neat log pile, and minimalist white dining chairs. Placed in a golden field of wild grass with tall pine trees in the background, it represents the pinnacle of indoor-outdoor architecture. 4. The timber-trimmed country cottage. This unique design beautifully masks the industrial look of a shipping container by framing the large windows and central sliding doors with thick, warm stained timber paneling. The roof line features exposed wooden rafters that mimic a classic cabin aesthetic, while a smooth slate gray tiled patio out front hosts comfortable outdoor armchairs overlooking a lush green forest backdrop. 5. The ultimate rooftop terrace oasis. This matte black container home maximizes its footprint by converting the entire roof into a luxury open-air deck, accessible via an elegant external spiral staircase. The front features a rustic wooden frame garage door with glass panes alongside a matching wooden glass entry door. Outfitted with twin wooden lounge chairs, a fire pit area, and a steel horse trough planter, this setup is perfect for entertaining. 6. The Coastal Breeze Open Pavilion. Perfectly situated on a sandy beach looking out at the ocean, this deep navy blue container home is raised on sturdy concrete pier foundations. The layout is split into two massive glass-fronted viewing zones. An open-concept living and dining area with bright orange accent chairs on one side, and a tranquil master bedroom suite with flowing blue drapes on the other, all protected by an overhanging corrugated steel roof. 7. The Hamptons-inspired country retreat. Breaking the mold of dark industrial colors, this container is finished in a sophisticated cream white hue. It features classic multi-pane glass windows and doors, each shaded by a striking black and white striped canvas awning. A raised dark charcoal wooden deck runs along the front, holding matching wicker lounge furniture that overlooks a sun-drenched rolling hillside. 8. The eco-friendly living roof sanctuary. This modern masterpiece is completely wrapped in horizontal light wood timber siding, hiding the metal container beneath. It features massive silver-framed sliding glass doors that open up the entire living and kitchen area to a grassy lawn. The standout feature is the fully integrated green living roof covered in native mosses and wildflowers, seamlessly blending the architecture into the surrounding environment. 9. The luxury rooftop deck and patio combo. Captured from a high angle, this premium black container layout features a massive stone patio out front with an integrated fire pit and an L-shaped outdoor sofa lounge. A spiral staircase leads to a fully decked rooftop terrace equipped with a dining table, lounge chairs, a barbecue grill station, and even a luxury hot tub, offering the ultimate tiny house luxury experience. 10. The garden deck and pergola haven. This dark gray container home is anchored by a beautifully constructed wooden deck and a matching timber pergola that provides partial shade over the entryway. Large sliding glass doors showcase a neat interior library shelving setup, while the exterior deck is styled with a cozy woven papasan chair with a magenta cushion, matching flower pots with pink blooms and neatly trimmed green shrubs. As you can see, modern single container homes are no longer just an experimental trend. They are a legitimate, high-end alternative for anyone looking to downsize without sacrificing style or luxury. Whether you prefer the raw industrial charm of exposed steel or the warm, organic feel of a timber-clad retreat, a single container offers an incredible canvas to build your dream minimalist home. If you loved exploring these incredible designs as much as we did, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Better Homes Designs for your weekly dose of architectural inspiration and tap that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know down in the comments which of these top 10 container homes you would move into tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.